just saw the biggest fish I've ever seen in my life. Wow, check this out. Like a little fishing camp back here. What's up, fellas? We're trying something different today. I live about 5 minutes from this place, and I've seen some traffic come back here, but I've never been back here in the whole time I've lived in this area. So we're gonna go out here, we're gonna check this out, we're gonna see what's in here. Folks, we are paddling down Oso Creek in Corpus Christi. We're gonna check this area out. Don't really know what to expect back here. Maybe find a couple dead bodies. Who knows, man? We're gonna paddle down. We're gonna paddle down this creek because the wind's kind of coming this way, and then we'll probably just drift back. I just saw the biggest fish I've ever seen in my life, at least up close. I thought it was a log. That thing rolled and splashed water all up over me. It's got to be an alligator gar. Wow, that thing was huge. Well, this place is really weird. It's kind of like the land that time forgot, and the water's really super green. It's like being in one of those amusement park rides, you know, where you go through the thing because there's so little flow back here. There's a lot of bacteria in the water. It's really, really green, really soupy looking. But let's keep going. Let's go check it out. I paddled down creek, probably about a mile, mile and a half, to the bridge on Staples. So that's where we are right now. Yeah, it's spooky, I'll tell you what. Anyway, we're gonna drift back that direction, and we're gonna see what we can get. We're still just kind of drifting down the creek here, just going with the wind, kind of a nice slow drift. What I'm doing is I'm casting lures to that side and then back to that side, just kind of reeling them back towards the middle. I got the popping cork trolling behind me with some gulp plastics on it. So far no bites, but hey, we'll see. Still no strikes on the top water or what I got trolling back there, but I know this area, it's probably about good 4 or 5 feet deep right here because I've been checking it with the paddle as I go. So we're gonna try like a little suspending lure, kind of reel it in, see what happens. Man, you'll see that? Probably not, but it's a what is it? Wild hog. It's right over there, top of that little hill. Wow, trippy. Look at that. Another one right over there. Big. Holy moly. I've been seeing these big gars, what I'm guessing is what they are. They come up and they work the bait up here to the different shorelines, and then they just slam on it. Nope. That's a stick. Yep. Stickfish. God, you see that? Oh my God. Nope. The fight is on, guys. This might take a while. Can we see this big old thing or not? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. This thing is heavy, dude. I'm not kidding you. Got off. Man, uncool. That was interesting. I hooked into that one, and I'll tell you what, dude, it was like trying to lift a truck. I am severely outgunned for those big old things. Next time I come out here, I got to bring a bigger rod. Let's go see if we can get him again. I'm trying to look at. There we go. Good cast, good cast, good cat. Wow, right down there by those bushes. I saw another one roll. Dude, come on. God dang. You see that? Guys, well, that's gonna do it. I can see my launch point right over there. It's gonna be dark in about an hour or so, so I might as well just go ahead and get on out of here. It was fun, I tell you what. Learned a lot. I hadn't been in this place forever, actually. First time I've ever come, seeing those big old gars, I guess, like that. I got to do some research, figure out how to get one of those in the boat. Anyway, thanks for coming along. I hope you had a good time. Make sure to throw a like down below. Peace. We'll see you next time.